While our electronics last a good few years, there is a time when they sometimes reach the end of their life. If your smartphone is non-functioning, it may be time to get a new one. Whether you're planning to sell the device, trade it in, or if it's a complete dud and you want to recycle it, be sure to safely wipe it clean even when repair is not an option. I'm the CyberGuy. I've got quick tips and ways to take back your privacy over at CyberGuy.com. That is where you can sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. Here are my tips on how to remove information from your phone, even if you can't get it to turn back on. First, plug it into a computer. Sometimes a phone may appear to be completely dead, while there is actually just an issue with the screen. You would have no idea of that since you can't turn your phone on, so it doesn't hurt to try plugging it into a computer to see if you're able to retrieve the data. For more information on how to do this, head to cyberguy.com/backupyourdevices. Next, remove the SIM card if you still have a physical one in your phone. While there may still be data you save directly on the phone, the SIM card will at least prevent anyone from using your phone number if they are for some reason able to get the phone running again. If you use an eSIM, contact your cell phone network carrier to have them disable it from your device. Another tip, if you previously set up either Find My app on your iPhone or Find My mobile app on Android, you should be able to remotely erase all of your data. Log in to either this site for iPhone or this site for Android. Log in, select the device, and follow the steps to erase data or erase iPhone. If you haven't already, contact your phone carrier to let them know the phone is no longer in use. While they may not be able to remove any information from the phone directly, they could be able to help you dispose of the phone properly and will be sure that your phone number is no longer in use on that device. Speaking of disposing, be sure you never just toss an old phone in the trash. Smartphones contain hazardous materials like lithium batteries. You can recycle your device for free at most electronics retail stores or recycle it using an electronic recycling program online through Google or Apple. You could also try Amazon's trade-in program and see if you can get an Amazon gift card in exchange for your device. There are also electronic recycling companies like Declutter that allow you to trade in or sell your device or buy a refurbished one. Have you ever upgraded your phone? What did you do with the old one? Let me know over at cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.